Taking a look inside the Solus KH16 reveals core and case construction that utilizes Kumho Tire's proprietary Escot casing technology, producing stability and balance in the sidewall and increasing steering response, driving comfort, and long tread life. The Solus KH16 also utilizes two full-width steel belts and jointless edge covers for a higher degree of durability and performance for the life of the tire. Increased tension in the bead and shoulder area provides improved handling and driver input, and by lowering the tension in the upper sidewall area, overall ride comfort is increased substantially. Reaching new levels of performance and comfort demand the highest caliber of tread technology, and the Solus KH16 has just that. With an all-season tread design, the Solus KH16 features a symmetric pattern with full-depth circumferential and multiple lateral grooves which enhance wet and snow traction. And the multiple sipe system cuts through snow and water to assist with traction all year long. The effective three-rib tread design optimizes the tire's steering response and stability and increases the tire's grip in all road conditions. Variable pitch tread blocks reduce road harmonics to make the Solus KH16 one of the quietest tires Kumho Tire sells. And the shoulder ribs add more biting edges for all-season traction. They also help decrease irregular wear in the shoulder area, promoting durability and longer tire life. The Solus KH16 drives home the fact that a tire can deliver incomparable performance and driver satisfaction in every category, and do it with style.